hello. Hey, good morning. Good morning. I tried getting that hot tub today. I haven't got in it yet. Probably do my back good too. So it looks like the sun's finally coming out around here. All right, so go tell Ollie hello. Go on. Oh, over here. What's she doing? What are you doing? Ollie, you look better. Come. Come. There's my sweet girl. There's my sweet girl. You told her good morning. You need your eyes in your snot bite. What you doing? Where you heading? What are you doing, Ollie? What are you doing? You being silly? You being silly boy? You being silly? You being silly boy? You being silly boy? Give me the ball. Get that. Get that. I'll go get him. I'll go get that boy. I'll come and get that ball. I'll go to get it. You been get going. 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 Don't you run over Olive. Get going. Get going. Get going. Olive said, what the hell? The boy that lost his mind this morning on Saturday morning. Get going. Come on, there, man. Come on, my tape. How are you, signing? Come on, there, boy. Come on, Blake. Oh, you poor good boy. Oh, Lord, not right there. Oh, Lord, Lord. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Ah, good boy. Not time to eat yet, y'all. Y'all ready to go in? Y'all want to go in? It's nice out here today. Why y'all can't stay out here today? Huh? Everybody getting along? Come here, Blade. Come up. Come up. Come here, Blade. Blade, don't start with bronze, though. Come up. Go on. You better get up in there. Go on. Come on.